You know him as Jon Snow, the brooding hero from Game of Thrones. But Kit Harington's journey to becoming the iconic character we all love wasn't just about memorizing lines and perfecting his brooding stare. Yeah, the one with the amazing hair and even more amazing physique. But achieving that look took more than just good genes and a great stylist. Kit Harington, the man behind the sword, didn't just magically appear on screen looking like a warrior. He put in countless hours of training, both in the gym and with a sword, to bring Jon Snow to life. Nope, that was some serious dedication to fitness and diet. Kit followed a rigorous workout regimen and a strict diet plan to ensure he was in peak physical condition for the role. We're talking about a transformation fit for a king, or at least a king in the North. Kit's commitment to his role was nothing short of royal. This is the story of how Kit went from regular dude to ripped warrior. His journey is a testament to what can be achieved with hard work, dedication, and a little bit of Hollywood magic. Get ready for some serious fitness motivation, because winter is coming. For those extra pounds. Kit's transformation wasn't just about looking good on screen. It was about embodying the strength and resilience of Jon Snow. Kit's training included high-intensity interval training, which helped him build endurance and strength. He also spent hours practicing sword fighting to ensure his movements were authentic and fluid. But it wasn't all about brute strength. Kit also incorporated yoga and meditation into his routine to maintain his mental focus and flexibility. His diet was equally important. Kit worked with a nutritionist to create a meal plan that would fuel his intense workouts and help him build lean muscle. He focused on eating clean, whole foods, and made sure to stay hydrated with plenty of water and protein shakes. All of this hard work paid off when Kit stepped on set as Jon Snow. His physical transformation was evident, and it added an extra layer of authenticity to his performance. Cast and crew members often praised Kit for his dedication and the effort he put into becoming Jon Snow. It was clear that he took his role seriously and wanted to do justice to the character. Fans, too, were impressed by Kit's transformation. His portrayal of Jon Snow became one of the most beloved aspects of Game of Thrones, and his physical transformation played a big part in that. Kit Harington's glow-up is a reminder that with hard work, dedication, and a little bit of help, anyone can achieve their fitness goals. So, whether you're preparing for a role or just looking to get in shape, take a page out of Kit's book and give it your all. And remember, winter is coming, but so are your gains. Stay motivated, stay dedicated, and who knows? Maybe you'll have your own glow-up story to tell. So, how did Kit get that lean, mean fighting machine look? It wasn't just about swinging a sword around, though that probably helped. Kit's workout routine was a mix of strength training, cardio, and mobility work. Think of it like this: strength training to build muscle, cardio for endurance, and mobility to move like a graceful warrior. He worked out with a trainer, focusing on different muscle groups each day. We're talking about a guy who took his fitness seriously, even when he wasn't battling White Walkers. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Strength training was a big part of Kit's routine. We're talking about lifting heavy things to build muscle and strength. Think compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These exercises work multiple muscle groups at once, building overall strength and size. Kit also incorporated bodyweight exercises like pull-ups and push-ups. The goal? To be able to handle himself in a fight, whether it was against wildlings or just a really heavy door. Being able to swing a sword is one thing, but have you ever tried running in heavy armor? Cardio was crucial for Kit to build the stamina needed for those intense battle scenes. He wasn't just hitting the treadmill, though. Kit mixed it up with activities like running, swimming, and boxing. This variety kept things interesting and challenged his body in different ways. The result? A guy who could outrun the Night King and still have enough energy for a celebratory pint afterwards. Section 5. Beyond the Iron Throne. Kit's commitment to mobility. Here's the thing about being a warrior. It's not just about brute strength. It's about having the complete package. Strength? Yes, but also agility, flexibility, and the ability to move with precision. These are the qualities that separate a good warrior from a great one. You need to be agile, flexible, and able to move with precision. Imagine a dancer, a gymnast, or an athlete. They all have one thing in common: the ability to control their bodies with incredible accuracy. This is what Kit Harington aimed to achieve. That's where mobility comes in. Mobility isn't just about being able to touch your toes or do the splits. It's about having the freedom to move your body in any direction, at any time, without restriction. It's about being able to perform complex movements with ease and grace. Kit incorporated yoga into his routine to improve his flexibility. Yoga is an ancient practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. It's known for its ability to enhance flexibility, strength, and mental clarity. For Kit, yoga was a way to keep his body limber and his mind focused. Kit incorporated Pilates into his routine to improve his balance. Pilates is a form of exercise that emphasizes core strength, stability, and alignment. It involves a series of controlled movements that target the deep muscles of the abdomen, back, and pelvis. By practicing Pilates, Kit was able to enhance his balance and coordination. Kit incorporated yoga and Pilates into his routine to improve his range of motion. By combining these two practices, he was able to achieve a greater level of flexibility and mobility. This allowed him to move more freely and perform a wider range of movements. This helped him move with grace and fluidity, both on and off the battlefield. Whether he was rehearsing a fight scene, dancing, or running, Kit's improved mobility allowed him to move with ease and confidence. It also helped him to avoid injuries and recover more quickly from intense physical activity. Plus, it probably felt amazing after a long day of filming fight scenes. Stretching and mobility exercises can help to release tension, reduce muscle soreness, and promote relaxation. For Kit, these practices were not just about improving his physical performance, but also about taking care of his body and mind. In addition to yoga and Pilates, Kit also incorporated mindfulness and meditation into his routine. These practices helped him to stay focused, calm, and centered, even in the midst of a busy filming schedule. By taking time to meditate and practice mindfulness, Kit was able to maintain a sense of balance and well-being. Kit's commitment to mobility, flexibility, and mindfulness is a testament to his dedication to his craft. It's not just about looking good on screen, but about being able to perform at his best, both physically and mentally. By taking care of his body and mind, Kit is able to bring his characters to life with authenticity and depth. So, the next time you see Kit Harington on screen, remember the dedication and hard work that goes into his performances. It's not just about the fight scenes or the dramatic moments, but about the commitment to overall well-being that allows him to excel in his roles. Kit's journey is a reminder that true strength comes from a balance of body, mind, and spirit. Section 6. Feasting Fit for a King. Decoding Kit Harington's Diet. When it comes to embodying a character as iconic as Jon Snow, every detail matters, especially the diet. Kit Harington's transformation into the formidable warrior we saw on screen was no accident. It was the result of a meticulously planned diet and rigorous exercise regime. You can't build a warrior physique on chicken nuggets and pizza alone. While these comfort foods might be tempting, they don't provide the necessary nutrients for building muscle and maintaining energy levels. Kit had to say goodbye to these indulgences and embrace a more disciplined approach to eating. Kit knew that diet was just as important as exercise when it came to achieving his Game of Thrones transformation. His training sessions were intense, but without the right fuel, his efforts would have been in vain. He worked closely with nutritionists to ensure his diet complemented his workout routine perfectly. His diet was high in protein, moderate in healthy fats, and low in processed foods and sugar. Protein was crucial for muscle repair and growth, while healthy fats provided sustained energy. By cutting out processed foods and sugars, Kit avoided unnecessary calories and kept his body in peak condition. Think of it as a clean eating plan fit for a king, or at least a king in training. Every meal was carefully crafted to provide maximum nutrition. Lean meats like chicken and turkey, along with a variety of vegetables, ensured he got a balanced intake of vitamins and minerals. He fueled his body with whole, unprocessed foods like lean meats, fish, fruits, vegetables, and complex carbohydrates. These foods not only provided the necessary nutrients, but also helped in maintaining a steady energy level throughout the day. Complex carbs like quinoa and brown rice were essential for sustained energy, especially during long shooting days. Kit's dedication to his diet was evident in his performance. Whether he was training with a sword or filming intense battle scenes, his energy and stamina were unwavering. This level of commitment to both diet and exercise is what set him apart and made his portrayal of Jon Snow so convincing. Working with a team of experts, Kit's diet was constantly monitored and adjusted to meet the demands of his role. Meal prep was a crucial part of his routine, ensuring he always had access to healthy options, even on the busiest of days. This level of planning and dedication is what truly made his transformation remarkable. In the end, Kit Harington's diet was more than just a means to an end. It was a testament to his dedication to his craft and his willingness to go the extra mile to bring Jon Snow to life. His journey serves as an inspiration to anyone looking to achieve their own fitness goals, proving that with the right diet and determination, anything is possible. Section 7. Protein power, fueling those northern muscles. Protein was essential for Kit to build and repair muscle tissue after those grueling workouts. He made sure to include plenty of lean protein sources in his diet, such as chicken, fish, eggs, and Greek yogurt. These foods provided the building blocks for those impressive muscles, helping him achieve that lean and muscular physique. Section 8. Hydration for a hero. Kit's secret weapon. You can't conquer Westeros if you're dehydrated. Kit knew that staying hydrated was crucial for his performance, both on and off set. He made sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially during and after workouts. Proper hydration helped his body function at its best, allowing him to power through those intense training sessions and filming days. Section 9. From Jon Snow to superhero shredded. The transformation. The results of Kit's dedication to fitness and diet were undeniable. He transformed from a regular guy into a lean, muscular, and powerful warrior. His physique not only helped him embody the role of Jon Snow, but also inspired countless fans around the world. Kit's commitment to his health and fitness extended beyond his role in Game of Thrones. He continued to prioritize his well-being, proving that he's not just a hero on screen, but also in real life. Section 10. Channel your inner king. Kit's recipe for success. Kit Harington's fitness journey is a testament to the power of hard work, dedication, and a healthy lifestyle. By combining a consistent workout routine with a balanced and nutritious diet, he achieved incredible results and inspired millions along the way. So, whether you're preparing to defend Winterfell or just want to feel your best, remember Kit's commitment to fitness and let it inspire you to conquer your own goals. Remember, winter is coming. For those excuses.